These are the M18 and the M12 press tools from Milwaukee. Pressing is a lightning fast alternative to soldering your joints on site. There's no torch, there's no flames, and you can work in wet and dry conditions. Whether you're working with copper or plastic, you just simply place those jaws on the fitting and it's sealed within 1.7 seconds. The design of these tools is all about maximizing your access. You can basically press anything you can reach, under a sink, behind a waist, and the larger M18 can be operated one-handed. Milwaukee's Red Link electronics ensures you always have a quality connection. For you, the user, you just hold down that button until the cycle completes, at which point it will release the jaws once you have that connection. If a full cycle is unable to complete and there's an issue with your joint, it's not going to release from that connection to let you know. And what you'll need to do is use the manual release button to release the jaws from the connection. Both tools work with copper and plastic. The M12 works from 1/2 inch up to 2 inch, while the M18 goes all the way out to 4 inch. Milwaukee jaws will press B-Press, Viega Pro Press and Chem Press copper systems to the Australian and New Zealand standard AS388-2005. The jaws are super easy to change and the press is interchangeable with other systems. Simply remove the pin, slide those other jaws right in there, replace the pin and you can press copper and plastic with the same tool. The M12 and M18 press tools are super easy to use, reliable and will press anything you can reach. If you've got any questions at all about either of these press tools, hit me up in that comment section below. A very special shout out to Luke from LPZ who demoed the tool in this video and McGarry Construction who allowed me out on site. If you want to go and give those boys some love, I've linked their socials in the description of this video. Until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.